First of all, open Capcut. Then select a video. Open Video Effects. Then go to Comic Effect. Selected Neon Effect. Again, go to Effects. And selected Blur from Basic. Export current video. Again, open current video. And deleted neon and blur effects. Tap Overlay from Tools. And selected Exported Video. Again, tap Overlay. And selected White Stock from Stock Video. Tap White Stock. And make it color bird. About 14%. Then tap Neon Effect Video. And make it hard. About 29%. Again, go to Effects. And selected Snow Spot from Trending Effects. Again, go to Effects. And select Diamond Effect from Basic. Now here is your video.